Come to the elevators at the Red Hat parking garage in Raleigh, North Carolina. These are Schindler 500A elevators, almost exactly like the one at Sugar Land Town Square, except these got MT vandal resistant Atom Survivor call buttons. I'm not going to go to G because this opens right into a desk. It's not like Sugar Land Town Square. I'm going to let you listen to that chime again. Send this down, we'll get the other elevator card. These are Schindler. Here's Alex. He's got vandal resistant fixtures. This is a nice cab. P3. Installed in 2004. A year older than the one at Sugar Land Town Square. All right, here we are at P6. Watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.